In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the writing font in Excalidraw. Excalidraw is a simple browser-based whiteboard, and changing the look of your text only takes a moment once you know where to find the settings. Start by heading to excalidraw.com. You'll land on a clean, blank canvas if you're not opening an existing drawing, which is perfect for trying this out. To work with fonts, you need a text element on the canvas. If you don't have one yet, use the text tool to click anywhere on the canvas and type a word or two. If you already have text in your drawing, select it first so that any changes you make will apply right away. You can select text by clicking it directly. If you're trying to adjust several pieces of text at once, drag a selection box around them so they're all highlighted. The key is that the text needs to be selected for the font options to take effect. Now keep your eye on the left side of the screen. Excalidraw's controls include a panel over there, and that's where you'll find the font settings in the standard version. With your text still selected, look for the font family options in that left panel. Excalidraw's built-in choices are limited, but they cover the most common styles: Virgil, Helvetica, and Cascadia. Virgil gives that signature hand-drawn, sketchy look that Excalidraw is known for. It's great when you want diagrams and notes to feel informal and approachable. Helvetica switches to a clean, professional sans serif style, which is perfect for labels, headings, or anything that needs to be crisp and easy to read. Cascadia has a monospaced, coding-friendly vibe that works nicely for technical notes or when you want text to align evenly. Click the font you want, and you'll see your selected text update immediately. If nothing changes, double-check that the text element is actually selected on the canvas. You can switch back and forth between fonts at any time, so feel free to try each one and see which suits your drawing. If the left panel looks collapsed or you don't see the font choices, make sure your browser window is wide enough and that the panel is visible. That's all you need in the standard Excalidraw experience. Add or select your text, look to the left panel, and pick Virgil, Helvetica, or Cascadia to change the writing font. Keep experimenting with these options as you build your diagrams, and choose the style that best supports your message.